Hey everyone, here I am again in the Hiccups computer room. I'm with Spike. He's currently eating. He was out all night, so we have to give him something. He was trying to get inside the actual sliding doors over there. I got home from work. My student actually showed up this week. Pretty cool. There's woodpeckers outside, trying not to move. They're fun to watch. They just left because I hiccuped. Spike! Spike! Nothing really happened this week. I had my band concert, which was excellent. We got, everyone stood up and started clapping because we were so awesome. Yes. I was really happy. I actually got sick on the night of the, I already said that last time, didn't I? Yeah. I'm better now. I had a cold for weeks and weeks, and now it's finally gone. I'm probably gonna get sick tomorrow, though. Spike! Spike! Say hi to the camera. Hi. Say hi. Now he's probably gonna want to go inside. You can probably see my Christmas tree a little bit. Hi! Look at the camera, Spike. It's my best friend. What? He's looking at me like he wants more food, but I'm not going to feed him again. Spike! Up on the chair. Yeah! He can't go on the chair the normal way. He has to go on, over the arm thing. He has my hand now. Headbutt my iPod. So, I don't think I've gotten any comments. I haven't checked today. There haven't been any questions, but my sister had a question for me to answer, and she's like, why did you call yourself Animaniac? And I'm like, well, I like anime. I'm a weirdo. I used to watch the Animaniac show when I was a little kid. If you know what that is, it's great. So many woodpeckers, oh my gosh. And cardinals. And nuthatch. So many birds. We feed the birds all the time here. And this cat tries to eat them. Wow. There's two cardinals sitting on my... Can't see them through the window. Sitting on the bird feeder. They're sitting together. One's feeding the other. It's really, really cute. It's annoying to have to hiccup. It won't go away for another hour. So, that's pretty much my week. Since I'm done with work now until next March, I think it starts up again. I'll have more time for this, but I'm probably not going to be more boring now that I have nothing to talk about with work. But yeah, I guess I'll see you whenever I feel like vlogging again. Bye.